Good sound? Huh? And okay. So mm, we start with the same topic because some more thing light on it, more light on it that it get more clear. Okay, because now uh, the scientists are doing research. There is no doubt about it, and they are very smart, genius people are working upon that. But still, uh, little differences between the spiritual vision. Okay, if the that's why the spiritual is spirituality is a time memorial, and even the thousands year passed, but still uh, spirituality guiding the human mankind. So, the yesterday I talked to the one of the Germany fellow, and he says that I'm the atheist. I'm like everybody atheist here. So don't worry about that. Just let's start from the atheist way. Okay, at least we have to start from the some way. Okay, so. Uh, this is, you can say, this beauty of the spirituality, so um, uh, uh, the aesthetic waves, electromagnetic waves, and the dynamic waves, um, the scientists doing lot of work. The scientists doing lot of work in the dynamic waves, but the aesthetic waves, how is locate, how create, and how much how much helping to the others. These are the it's a little curtain. It's very difficult to understand from the logic. Very difficult to understand the logic brain. The just to perceive mentally. I think it's not get clear picture. So anyway, so now we already given the many idea upon that aesthetic waves. So we no need to repeat that. And it's clear, na?
Yeah.
Okay. So now the electromagnetic waves is some more strange you will be see. Um, Before that, I have to clear there is a, the is a microcosm and macrocosm world, So in the microcosm, if we take the this body, okay, just take the simple example. It's just you take the body, and you will be see there is also that two waves there, which is called the aura, which is we call aura. So one is a inner aura, is a completely connect. Inner aura is a connecting to the pore. Okay, and it will not expand. But the another aura, which is called the external aura. Okay, it if according to our behavior or action or meditation, expand or squeeze. Okay, so those who are the measuring the aura is the external aura. Okay, so it's internal aura is connecting to the body. So some picture, some uh, particular camera, they catch that paper, that aura,
Yes.
And so and the graphic analysis, the color of the aura, they predict is such kind of the person is there, this, that, many things, we know that. So when we sit on the uh, meditation posture, okay, and the meditation posture, when we sit in the that is become the triangle form, like a pyramid shape, okay. And when you become the pyramid shape, anything you put in the three dimension, triangle shape, uh, the earth gravity very less will be effect, okay.
Okay.
Because earth gravity, that's why you will see the all temple, even the mosque and then what is called church, all you will be see that yet they are using the triangle shape, and even all pyramids and any arch, if you want to put any kind of the a special
Figure.
something figure, you need to be the triangle shape. So when you will sit in the triangle shape, then earth gravity less will be effect, and then you are able to exercise, and you are able to deep within yourself, interiorize yourself, and start to eternal quest, okay. And that questing, because the gravity, if the gravity is too much heavy upon us, then it's very difficult, because the gravity dust is very difficult, does not allow us uh, uh, to inquire, to quest objectly within ourself and without, okay. So and when you will be sit in the triangle shape, then your meditation, when we are starting meditation, okay, and then your moment you one more thing, when you will take the triangle shape, we will take in the another class too about the meditation, so not now. So when we sit in the triangle shape, then the prana uh, help, but prana itself erodes, rising, okay. And so this also benefit. And then when prana arise within from the coccyx gel, okay, and then our aura get recharged, reformed, and ready to expand. So external aura, so just locally we can translate here, is a aesthetic waves and the dynamic waves, okay. So two waves in our body, okay. uh, so just you will be see that will be expand, okay. And so where there people are, group of the people are meditating, or the intense, someone intense meditating, and get enlightenment, okay. That place also aesthetic wave, because the man can the form can change, okay, leave the body, but the waves will be remain. Like you will see the Bodh Gaya, is a Buddha get enlightened from that banyan tree. No, not it's not people tree. Okay, and it's a Gaya. Everybody knows. And then when you will be go that place, then you will be see some energy helping you, boosting you, and then energy helping you to uplift. So even the thousands year Buddha passed away, it's thousands years before it passed away, but still the energy is there. Okay, so the intense, some are the elevated soul meditating which place, or maybe the group of people meditating, then also generate in that waves, and it will be in the aesthetic form. Okay, and that will help to others. Now I think we not mention the samadhi, no? When people are some in India, the generally they mm, cold here. so so India is generally people die, they put in the fire, burn it. Okay, but uh, in the some case, even if monk not demanding, okay, then monk generally they put in the uh, uh, ground. Okay, so when it's the ground, then if someone meditating on in a form, and then there is a one prana we can discuss in the another, because that we not using the prana, so that prana is a Dhananjay. Just I'm mentioning here because that Dhananjay during the is a fertilize, the Dhananjay entered, but the soul come much later. Okay, so when Dhananjay will be isolate, okay, and the if they want the soul want to fly, move that body, because body may be not working, or maybe he wants to another body, or maybe he has to go to the another plane to do something. So but the Dhananjay will be remain. Okay, and due to the Dhananjay, that body is because the soul carrying that body. Okay, and so body will be remain, and the is a meditate, uh, and so that aesthetic waves, the most of the samadhi you will be see, they are the alive samadhi. Okay, and people went there, and then go there, and then just worshipping, and they get back the respond, samadhi responding. Okay, according to wish. So um, because because that person is in the alive form. I wanted to get add you here is a very beautiful, and that sometimes they because years together, the one monk can sitting in meditating, and then mud came and cover, maybe cyclone, maybe earthquake, anything happen, it can get covered, but because he is not there, because it's a completely oneness with the eternity, but just the simple form is there, but still the that prana is remain there, so that to the just to prana, the soul travel anywhere, but the center, we cannot say the center, but any time can come and enter. Sometimes the people, say India, they have an advanced technique in the golden time. People leave this body, enter, went somewhere, and then come to back, and then start living in this body. So uh, uh, now it's still there, but not in the publicly. I don't know. Okay, so so anyway, so uh, that samadhi is a live samadhi, because that is called aesthetic waves. Okay, it's helping us. But these are the fanatic also, because the some so-called guru could die, and then devotee get put in the ground, but then sometimes not responding, because the intention should be there. Because when Swami Vivekananda ji left the body, Swami Vivekananda ji asked the disciple, devotee, put in the fire, not in the ground. Okay, so depend. So you will be see the Paramahansa Yogananda ji body is there in the Los Angeles, in Forest Lawn. Okay, so that which we are what I am to wanted to indicate that, so that body itself is is there with the aesthetic waves. Okay, and as I told you, the the cosmic waves, the intelligence, cosmic intelligence moving through the cosmic waves also. Okay, so intelligence is there. Here it will get clear. To give one example here, there is one book written by the Paramahansa Yogananda ji. Okay, it's in a book's name, God Talk with Arjuna.
I know the book, but I did not.
You know.
Yeah.
Okay.
I
So.
the book for books from him.
Yes. So that book is a very beautiful one. A story is there. Okay. Uh, uh, when his father was in the teen age, or maybe young age, his father, not he. So the is not near in not in Calcutta, because his father living in Calcutta, but in the West Bengal, that same city, not city, the province, the some city, the the village people digging the land for the pond. Okay, to make the water, because the scarcity of the water, so they at least preserve the water, so pond, and then uh, and when he's deep down, digging deep down, and then he saw there is a 7 or maybe 5, I don't know, I'm not remembering now. It's maybe 5 or maybe 7 body in the on the one row is just seated. Okay, and so they seated in that is what is called is a triangle shape in the meditation posture. Okay, and then they start to digging with the very carefully, and then body come out. Okay, but a body actually not there, but it's a completely muddy body, not like that. Okay, and then all of them, uh, all of the sudden awaken. Okay, alive. He was already alive, and then they told कि because village people disturb them, na, because they are meditating. It's a real story and written by the Paramahansa Yogananda ji. The Paramahansa Yogananda ji is a complete given declared that I never lie in my life. It's not it's a lie, So that all of them, they asking to the fellow, oh, you are the uh, warrior or people of the Mughal. Mughal also rule this country, na? Muslim. You came from the Yunan and is a Arab country, and they ruled this country. Okay, and so that Mughal is one of the uh, ruler is a Babar, and is a very destructive energy. Okay, he broken the many temple, all these thing, and that issue was the Ram Mandir, the international issue was there, So anyway, that most of the holy temple, which is the history connecting, the Babar destroyed, and sometimes it convert to the masjid into temple into the mosque. Okay, so mm, then they are asking, you are the man, you people are belongs to the Babar, and then the village people reply, no, the it's a Mughal not there, and the British also ready to leave. Okay, because that time the freedom movement going was the very extreme time, so and then he just saw, they just to hear and left the body, all of them. Okay, because it's get disturbed, and that the body, because atmosphere connect to that, so he can resurrect the body. Okay, but it's better to they thought it is better to leave. It's my opinion. Okay, and they leave the body, and still there is a pound is there, and the all body they because the muddy body was there, and then put in the samadhi, and people are worshiping all these things. So see the and this a story written in the God talk with the Arjuna. Okay, so uh, it's just not in information. We just to understand. Okay, how the many of the so sometimes the once a time the America one person asked, how is possible people can meditate in the thousands year? You are just spreading rumor, you people. The thousands year you rishi meditate and then discover something this and that. I'm like, okay, one day maybe you will be believe. Okay, but we believe and the things work. Okay, so this physical body also can retain, it's a forever and forever. You are it's a depend upon the person. The India is a thousands of the not thousands, sorry, more than 10 20 is so far my knowledge, at 10 to 20 the living their immortal life. Okay, and the autobiography is Mahatar Babaji is there. Okay, so many of them, they are living the immortal life, and but it's not they, but they're not taking the physical, say earthly food. They have the very certain, because they are moved through the prana and not uh, approachable for the common man. Okay, but there time to time they appear and you can manifest. What the many thing is manifest, because sometimes the physical sense they appear. Okay, our sense, our layer is so down, because we talk to the dimension, so we not capable to see them, but they can interact. Okay, so So this is the uh, uh, theory of astral world and astral beings. Okay, so where there people are meditate intense meditation, also the aesthetic way, because that aura, which aura we are talking about, that he drew the his external aura, and that will be get frozen. Okay, and time has come, the same form start to radiate waves to the, because that's if uh, that waves not respect respect by the society or the human mankind. Okay, because sensitive slowly move from here to the another place, and where there is they get the respect or the worshipping, they start to is manifest. So many other Shiva temple is just Shivlingam naturally comes naturally, and people saw that, and then it's something like that, you know. So now uh, I think uh, meditation be clear. You will be see where there is people get birth, the enlightened person get birth. Okay, so also tremendous amount of energy, because the not only three wise men blessed the Christ. Okay, three wise men appeared before the Christ. Okay, but the many of the astral beings, they offer gratitude and love and a blessing to the such a little baby, because they came it's just descend for the higher purpose. Okay, so when he blessed that place, so that energy with that place get recharged and blessed. Okay, so that's why we will see the birthplace of the Jesus. We are going to pilgrimage the birthplace of the Buddha, birthplace of the Krishna, and it's unfortunately the Krishna and Rama. There are two great avatar in India, and the Babar destroyed that birthplace because the temple was there, and he constructed the masjid. You know, but we not go to the in that way. But the one moment came, and they start to fight by just and legally the Supreme Court of the India just recently is permitted, and then he said because the history was there, this, and then many people have the vision also, and then now they are constructing the um, what is call it temple for the honor of the Rama. And but Krishna temple, if you see the Krishna temple, still there is a half is a masjid and half is a temple. Where the Krishna born in near to Brindavan, it's a Mathura. Okay, so so uh, uh, that temple is how you will be know. Because I wanted to give you one more example to understand this. Keep energy is remain. Okay, you know. Um, Actually, I believe the Ramkrishna Paramahansa, you know, na, is a is a guru of the Swami Vivekananda. Okay, so Ramkrishna Paramahansa, and before him, there is a one saint is a Chetan Mahaprabhu. Okay, and just Chetan Mahaprabhu, because I born brought up here, so that I'm giving them example from here. Okay, so Chetan Mahaprabhu, you know the ISKCON temple, where the people are doing the chanting Mahamantra, Hare Rama, Hare Krishna.
I know about the chant, but I don't know where it's coming from.
It's all about the world. So the Krishna conscious people, okay, they're chanting the mantra. Say Hare Rama, Hare Krishna. That is your Maha mantra, the great mantra, and that mantra given by the Chetan Mahaprabhu, and he blessed that mantra. That the thousands year will be work. Okay, so Chetan Mahaprabhu birthplace is a Navadip in West Bengal, and the Paramhans Yogananji, no sorry, Ramkrishna Paramhans just went there as a pilgrimage. Okay, and where there the is a person locate the Chetan born there, and the Ramkrishna Paramhans entered inside, and then just have a ritual, all these things, and then he's back, and after 1 day or 2 days later, he wanted to take the Ganges bath, because the bank of Ganges, and he went there in the Ganges, and moment he went in the Ganges, which in the bank of Ganges, and entered in the water, and he get in the samadhi, in ecstasy. Okay, and when he get ecstasy, and when he will back from the water, and then told real birthplace of the Chetan was not there, is here, he told, and that is also is written in the Gospel of Ramkrishna Paramahansa. It's an English book. Okay, so just this little simple example I'm giving to the to just prove how the electromagnetic wave remain, and how see, he was just entered for the bath in water, and that energy just boost the prana and enter in ecstasy, in samadhi. So that's why we worship the pilgrimage area, where pilgrimage place, we go very humbly, not like a fun and picnic. And then if you just use that place as a just picnic spot, the Kedarnath is a big disaster came, and the thousands of people is just finished within second, because they are using as a pilgrimage and the tourist place. And the, India energy actually not allow. Even the we had government doing a lot of thing in the Himalaya to just promote and attract the tourists. But in my point of view, should not to disturb the energy. You will see that when we talk about the electromagnetic waves and the frozen, now is in the part of the China, but before was the is in India is a Mansarovar, you know, and that Mansarovar is a Hindu belief, in the place where there is a enlightened person live there, also create and generate, because the whole all the time radiate. So he live long, then also the energy will be remain. Okay, and he say help others. So lift the body, put in the body in the ground. Also there will be their birthplace and as well as living place. So the in Hindu believe Shiva place of living place was the Mansarovar. So there is a they have a story. Shiva and Parvati and all these things are living there. Okay, so and the big mountain, and there is a lake, the snow mountain, and the big lake. I think is a one of the biggest lake of this earth plane, on the top of the in the high altitude, because it's a more than uh, 20,000 feet.
Wow. Okay.
Yes, it's Mount Everest. Is just under the Mount Everest. It's a big lake. Like if you see the lake, then it. I never been there, but I saw that in the picture. Mansarovar is a, and the Buddhist and the Hindu is a very famous pilgrimage. They are used to go. Okay, and now you can go through the India through Nepal, or India through China also. So, and the many story vision about the Mansarovar and the research going on. The archaeological department, geographical department, geological department, they are just saying that there is just a energy field. Someone saying the center of the is a navel of the earth. Many thing, many myth, many story, many discovery coming to the just the mysterious of that Mansarovar. Mansarovar is Sarovar means lake, you know. So is like that. So now, uh, when we talk about this, mm, uh, uh, what is call it? Mm, aesthetic wave. Now, little, not more, we will aesthetic. When we talk about the aesthetic wave, uh, and then you will be see there is a very uh, uh, you know the monastery order. We have the 10 monastery order, you know, and it's written in the autobiography. You can go through that. And is a forefather, is a father of that monastery order, you can say. Before also was there, but it's a Shankaracharya. He compiled the all Veda, okay, and categorized the Upanishad, and given the commentary of the 11 Upanishad, and what is called Gita, or many things in Brahma Sutra. He written the Brahma Sutra, commentary upon the Brahma Sutra also. So he was the great saint, and even this lineage is still going on. The Shankaracharya Parampara, they are continuous. Okay, so they established the four mutt, that is ashram. You can say that monastery order, the four corner of the India, and that is still they are just teaching of the philosophy of Advait. Advait means undualistic. There is no other. There only conscious exists without second. They not believe in the dualistic, qualified dualistic. So they are teaching like that, because the Shankara taught the Advait. Is a he was very good devotee. He written many prayer of the all deities. He's given the many prayer. He's a very good poetry of a poet also. So he can compose the hundreds of the poets of the many of the deities. But still he has spread the teaching Advait. Okay, not Dvait. Advait means non-dualistic. Okay, no others, only conscious exists without second. So and not thousands. It's a now he given one. Before we enter that story, I wanted to tell you here about we talked about the last time, no? Uh, 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 mm, as we know, the object magnetical field is there. Okay, magnetic because the electrical waves moving there here and there, and how much allocate acquire the electromagnetic waves that become the magnetical field. Is clear? Okay, so it's magnetical field. So every object has the own magnetical field.
Yeah.
Okay, so if you go little lesser the bigger one, and you will be see the Earth have a own magnet field, and Jupiter have a own magnet field. You know, and that's why say subplanet of the moon moving around that because its magnet field is there.
Yeah.
Okay, so now in a little bit go little down, then you will be see the continental magnet field. You can find it.
Yeah.
You can see the continental magnet field. So the African and American and European, you will be see and Asia mm, by mistake or we are not part of the Asia. The India is not part of the Asia. So India is a part of the South America and Africa. It's a little part of the Africa. They cut it because if you go to the geology, then you will be understand. They cut it and touch to the Asian Pacific, and it's called the Gondwana land. And that Gondwana land not part of the Asia. Okay, so it's a due to the magma and lava is still pushing to the Asia, Asian, not Asian mountain. So the Himalaya is the youngest mountain of this earth plane. Okay, youngest. It's a, and that is still pushing, and so that's why Mount Everest, Himalaya, growing, is a rising. Many of the mountain is there. Is you will see the Alaska, Siberia, and the and many great mountain is there, but they are not growing. But this is a uplifting, rising because of the pushing to the and in between there is a Nepal coming. This is also big a story, and the Shankaracharya predicted about that. The time has come. The worship of the Badrinath will be not there. So he established another the future Badrinath. It's a big story. We are not going to that. So just to wanted to clear there is a magnetical field. Okay, so it's magnetical field. When suppose one person born and brought up, now little come little more closer, then you will be see your family magnet field is there. Okay, yeah, and your suppose of course you have individual magnet field, also the family magnet field which we not understand properly because we just socialize because this family kind of family is like that family. Okay, so they are the bunch of the soul is working in the same place, and the common motive is there. Okay, So in the same way, you will be see the bunch of soul work together for the higher purpose.
Yes.
Okay. And if the work for the higher purpose, then what will be happen? Same kind of the beings rise and fall in the same relation.
Yeah.
Okay. uh, I try to put in the very subtle things. So rise and fall in the same relation. So sometime you will be see the gender very difficult, very hard to get change. Okay. So sometimes our four relation of the femininity, like a sister, mother, wife, and daughter. And it's because we are cycle of the death and birth, and all are working together, and they know if you live together, the karma is get exchanged. Okay. Now you see your stepdaughter, uh, she is not your belongs to your blood, but intimacy, and maybe which karma brought it in your house, and that intimacy connecting with that. So rising and falling, so the bunch of soul work together, work for the higher purpose, for the liberation. So same kind of the energy, born and death. So sometimes the wife become mother, mother become daughter, daughter become it's like that. Ana? So if someone have the scholar up in the past regression, not like a is a professional people, so they can easily can understand. And if you go a little deep, more deep, then you will be see that your which gender you are connecting, and then you will see that past relation was there. Maybe the relationship which we are living now, maybe the previous life may be the different. Also here you will be see, sometimes the energy can get transmute, change. Sometimes enemy become good friend, you know? And friend, if you betray with the friends, they are opposed, and they take the share. So these are the karmic patterns. So we are not going to about that things. So just to understand the if um, new karma generate, if we generate the new karma, and then what will be happen? We have to extra effort, we have to put it for to overcome from that. Okay. So Shankaracharya, Shankaracharya given one law, or you can say that the monastery order, he put the one rule and one law. Okay, the monk should not cross the ocean. Okay. Now here I wanted to clear this, because if because and this very controversy, it's very controversy in India. But I show in the different way. Okay. So and he just given the one monks should not cross the ocean. You will see. Is it clear? The magnetical field of the family, and so magnetical field of the country. Okay. Now we see the India three-sided from the ocean, one-sided connected to the land. Okay. And now it means India is not part of the Asia. There is one thing. Second thing is a very far from the other continent. And I tell you one thing, you born in the Europe and America, you will be not see the any line of the cross the ocean. But Indian hand in astrology, there is a indicate line कि he will be cross the ocean or not.
Okay.
Yes. So he told, see the how the interesting topic is there, because we are connecting with the magnetic waves. And so he given the instruction is strictly the monk should not cross the ocean. Okay. And but our many monk is really enlightened, is across the ocean. And it's a Paramahansa Yoganand ji, Swami Vivekanand ji, so for it's more of them. Now, here I wanted to give you one example, because when you working as and see, here I wanted to tell you one thing. Monk is like a spiritual aspirant. Okay, he's working for to work out his own karma, and ready to free from the his past karma, and get fully liberate. Okay, when you get liberate, attend the super conscious, supramental conscious, it's a nirvikalpa samadhi, then no magnetical field will be effective.
Yeah. Correct.
Okay, and so he can cross for the higher for the serve to the people. Okay, so not differences what is the differences between that? Because the Vivekanand crossed the first time he crossed the ocean. Okay, and that time is too much opposed. He got the too much opposed why he crossed the ocean, this and that. Now, but Swami Vivekanand didn't affect, because he was the above the magnetical field, above the all kind of the even the planet, whole planet or a whole solar system will be not disturbed such a enlightened person. Okay, Paramahansa Yoganand ji crossed the ocean, but it's not like that Paramahansa Yoganand crossed the ocean, so Rakesh also can cross the ocean. So I tell you one example. It's a because when you work for the higher purpose, and because in the evening yesterday I was thought I have to clear with the this chapter also, because it's very controversy in India. Why not monk can cross the ocean, and many were very strict, no, I have to not cross the ocean. Okay, and those who cross the ocean, they get criticized by the some people, something is there. So anyway, uh, first time when I crossed the ocean, okay, and before that I was completely check up my body. Okay, and no disease was there, and the medical report was very clear from the each and everything checked, because I'm living a free life without possession anything. No possession is there, no property, no even I'm living in the rental place. So uh, uh, I was a little bit afraid about that, because of the waste is the very medical, very expensive medical. Here in India, any ashram can donate you, and then you get free treatment. You will get it, but it's not possible in the America. So when I went in America, and I get sick, and not sick like that. it's a fever, all this. It's a our parasympathetic sympathetic nervous system get imbalance, and sometimes the BP increase, and hypertension, and no sleep, and sometimes BP low. So many things happening in my body which I could not understand. So, and so I went to the doctor. Okay. I went to the doctor, and doctor told me this is the what is call it jet lag. I mean, how long will be the jet lag? But 3 to sometimes the two sense people are so sensitive because first time you cross the ocean is a travel. So jet lag will be maybe 3 day or 4 day, not more than that. I'm suffering more than 1 week. It's a almost is a 10 or 12 days was suffering. Is going on, and then he gives some pills, and just he give, but it's not satisfy. I'm not also get satisfied, and then I get pill, and pill doesn't work. And then my curiosity, because you are the part of the man eternal quest. This word came from the Paramahansa Yoganandaji books, and that the questing. I'm not much logical brain, and I don't have the educational background. I didn't have academical education because very early age I left my home, so no education complete. But little bit I try to inquire the reason, the cause and effect. So Ayurveda not is a medical science. Ayurveda is a health science. Okay, so they work upon the cause, not effect. If you have the fever, okay, so they will not give you the reduce the fever like a paracetamol. Okay, it's a they try to find what caused fever came. Okay, so I just when I start to meditate, and then I try to inquire the cause, because I was the okay in India, and moment I came in this land, and whole body is reacting, and I is not that reacting is what that so badly, because I was decided to back to India. Okay, and so I try to meditate longer, and I get the um, cause, because this body many lifetime rise and fall. This not body, this soul in this continent is India. Okay, and maybe I'm working upon the in get salvation. Who knows? Okay, so this is the part of the journey of the self-realization. So my karma connecting with the this magnetical field. Okay, and so when I take the went to the another magnetical field, so whole blood cells, because the blood cells I told you is a thoughtron is there, and thoughtron is become the lifetron, and it's a connecting with the your previous karma, all these things. So whole blood cells react. It's clear? And one of the monk, maybe people will not believe, but I know I can believe that. So one of the monk is from the SRF, Self-Realization Fellowship. There is a two two monastery society is there. One is a Yogda Satsang Society of India, which is he's guiding to the Indian community, and one is the Self-Realization Fellowship, is guiding to the Western country. Okay, both are the headquarter in Los Angeles Self-Realization Fellowship. Okay, because the Yogda Satsang Society is the sister organization of the Self-Realization Society. Okay, now when they will take the final monastery order, and then he has to go to the America, and then they give the monastery order, like a Swami or all this thing, no? So that one of the monk, and he was a very great soul, and I saw that he lived the very non-attachment life. His name is Swami Gya. He was the brahmachari, and he went to the to take the vow of the sannyas as to Swami order, final order of the monastery. And he was in the swimming pool, and he left the body. Generally, people give the logically maybe heart attack, this, that, but he was so healthy, okay, and he left the body, and when the and I was there almost to die, and but I tell you why I alive, because I am a little bit more attachment with some gross things, and he was maybe not attached with some gross thing, so he fly, okay, lift the body. So here we have to very clear to understand that thousands of people crossing to the ocean, okay, they are not going to die, they are not ill, so it's a baseless things. You can say that it's a baseless thing. The scientifically not proof, and that no one can believe that. But now here you will see, when your mind is locate something like a logically you are locating like a alpha waves, left brain too active, then magnetical field which is your own have is not disturbing too much. But if you are sensitive, and depend working upon the right brain, and for the overcome from the karma, then the magnetic field attract and disturb and effective. Okay, so the Shankaracharya told not for the common lay person. He told about the monastery. Monks should not cross the ocean. Okay, so monk means not Buddha, not Paramahansa Yogananda. They are the monk, but they are elevated, uplifted. No magnet field can disturb. But me, I'm the path of that. I'm it's not perfect, okay, and so the things can disturb, not 100%ly, but its possibility is there. It's clear. Now I tell you one more thing to add you to understand. Suppose I'm maybe last 3 or 4, it's not just giving the example, rising and falling, taking birth and death in this continent, or maybe some no need to confuse, to understand only, okay, because it's idea can deny from the another idea, and idea can support by the another idea, and the metaphysics more over depend upon the it's your own individual idea. So there is no set language and is a rule. You have to believe that. Not like that. I show like that. As I told you, okay, my lecture is in my way. And I quote the scripture. I talk to the something, quote to the science, but my way, which you will may not find in the Google, is my way. So you may be agree or not. That is up to you. But it's my way. So you will be see one person is rising and falling in the one continent, and I went to the America or Europe, and then start working there. Okay, then what will be happen? Uh, the one karma is already here to remaining to overcome, and one karma I generated to another place. Okay, and then when the next time I left the body, uh, and when try to get the body, the two magnetical pole, the karmic pattern is a pull, is a tug of war. Okay, and it's a, that is called you can say the bipolar. Okay, it's a tug of war, it's a pulling each other. And you will be see, if I get birth in the America, I'm just giving example. Okay, and living in America, so much attract to the India. Oh no, I have to go. I have to go. And India is this. India is, simple thing. And if you were born in India, no, must be go America. But some reason you don't know why you are wanted to go, but you want to go. And then, and sometimes the people migrated. You know, uh, so just try to understand, because it not mean by that you should not move from the Romania, because the thousands time we can take in the birth and death, and we have the touch, we already touch to the uh, many of the continent almost covered. But when you are in the final touch, that time in the final touch of the samadhi, that time we have to make the precaution, at least to get to realize and then cross. So final touch, not in the semi or middle, because I'm very sure this life I'm not going to enlighten. Okay, I'm working upon that. Keep on keeping on, and I live by very truthful life, and because I know my level of conscious, how much and how much I have to cover that. Okay, so this life I'm not going to enlighten. Maybe I born to another life in Europe and America, and I don't know. But I'm this life. I'm just doing my best. Okay, and, simple. And so I'm doing my best. Honestly, I'm putting myself. So some grace is flowing through me. Okay, but it not mean by the someone satisfied with my lecture. And it's easy for me, it's very easy to create the drama, like a become the hypocrite guru. For me it's very easy, because I can convince people, but I know my level of conscious. Nah. I know I'm not perfect. Nah. And so if the person's spiritual experience must be the truthful, honest by himself, not for the society. If you are honest with yourself, then you will be honest with the society. So the Shankaracharya stop the monk which those who are in the final stage. If I am not in the that final stage, so I'm not completely following the monastery rule. Okay, and I will tell you one more thing. The when you become monk, become businessman, engineer, and doctor is the It's a routine life. But become the monk is not a routine life. It's an abnormal life and extra conscious and extra effort need. Even if you the socially influence with the others, suppose one person become the monk and then you become the monk. So after 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, you will be Maya will be pull you, and you fall in the Maya in illusion, and then you will stuck with the money or sex or anything. So and you can change the track. So monastery order, maybe those who are living in the church, nun and brothers or all these things, some are in the here, some extra effort required, some extra ordinary conscious can follow that path, because the abnormal path is not social path. Okay, you have to, throughout life you have to be a struggle, and a struggle for to just to save yourself, not a struggling put to get something. That's why I just give sometimes joke, great thing are achieved by great sacrifice, and great sacrifice get nothing. I said that is the spiritual life. so so it's like that. So this if you are in the monastery order and you are really craving, it's a monastery, so also mumuksha, the Mahatma is come from the mumuksha, means the great soul doing effort for the liberation and craving for liberation. Okay, craving for liberation. If I am the craving for liberation, then no continent, nothing, no Maya will be attract me. But in my vasana, if I have some passion I have to become, to see, to touch, to know, and then it's the mother nature working that, and I'm moving here and there. So here only thing to understand, final touch of the liberation, we have to be precaution to wait. Okay, it's clear. Hmm?
Yeah.
So now I don't know time. Oh, yes, we have time. So a little bit I will touch to the dynamic, and then I think yes, yes, your dimension should be. It's need to add, no, otherwise too much. So. Uh, 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 One more thing I wanted to add you, when we talk about the aesthetic wave and the and dynamic wave. So in the when we now aesthetic wave is get clear.
Yeah.
Any question?
For the moment, no, but you just answered
A-
a lot of questions.
any suggestion?
Um,
Any correction?
no.
You want to, you have free will to correct me. Okay. So I already told you that I am illiterate person, so you can correct me anytime. Okay.
No, there's no need.
So uh-huh. Okay, that's why I wanted to record this video, because and to give in the public, because I'm maybe crazy, but it's a not common crazy. Okay. So and we Paramahansa Yogananda said that is we all are the crazy. Okay, but you know my craziness. This is my limitation, and I get for I start to follow you. But if you don't know my craziness, then I will always mysterious for you, mysterious from the society. है ना? So anyway, we are not talking about these things. So now you will be seeing the dynamic waves, and then you will be see there is a cosmic intelligence. I told you, cosmic beauty. We talk about that cosmic bliss and this that. The cosmic archive is also there. Okay, and in the cosmic archives, the continuous sound, form, and movement is get preserved. It's a saving that. Okay, that's why you can after the sound you record the sound, and that sound in and in not preserving is like a particular place. Okay, that cosmic archives, when we talk about the archives, then our conditioning mind think is just some big house and the things will be there. Okay, but also we are mentioning that cosmic archives. So cosmic archives is that form will be all pervading. Okay, so if the form will be all pervading, that manifest anytime, anywhere. Okay, that form anytime, anywhere. Maybe that form is physically alive or not, but it gets manifest like a Krishna. If you provoke the Krishna energy, Christ energy, he can manifest before you, because the form is there, and he could have the power to bring that form, and that spirit work through that. Okay, enlightened person easily to take his own cloth, coat, and appear according to devotion. Okay, so the cosmic archives, that's why it's a tape recorder. Say you are recording, we can record the voice, but we not much know about the form. But sound, form, and moment is a preserved in the cosmic archives, is a all prevail. And so we can say omnipresent. So omnipresent means is present here and there, and that form can become the many form like a clones. You can make the many form in the same way, because the radio waves is there, and that radio waves, it can generate anything anywhere to create the drama. You know, the it's a in a autobiography of Yogi, you complete that book.
I have just a little more because the end.
Okay, so so in that book, you know, the guru of the great guru of the Paramahansa Yoganand ji, Lahiri Mahasaya, no? And Lahiri Mahasaya, he passed, left the body. Before he left the body, he invited many of the disciples. You come Varanasi, na? I am leaving. And after the left the body, people put in the fire. He burned completely, become ash, and he appeared 6 places in one time. And same time he appeared the 6 places. You go through that chapter.
Yeah.
And he say appear. How is possible? Because that form is already offered to the fire, and he appeared because of that form is preserved in the cosmic archives, and that was called cosmic archives. Is read cover, not cover, is prevailed to the radio waves, which is called uh, um, dynamic electromagnetic waves. Is it clear?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yes.
So now, can you WhatsApp with you? Can you about the brother Louis, because I wanted to connect with this. You asked the one question about the you read one book from the uh, Louis.
St. Louis, yeah.
Your things little bit talk about the spirit or ghost or no? Like that.
Sure.
Huh? Okay. We will do little bit focus upon it that okay because it's also part of the metaphysics. Okay. So the in is just in this how this room, the waves, the dynamic waves moving and moving because the behind the waves the prana work. Okay, because without life force, which is not life force which is belongs to me only, universal life force, because the electricity is a behind the electricity wave which is invisible from the cosmic waves, and that waves is a highly connected to the prana. So when we talk to the prana, it's a not like an individual inhalation and exhalation. Okay, it's a the energy vibratory vibration is a cover to the uh, cosmos. Okay, and that wave blow, okay, from here and there and touch to the your brain also. Okay, so suppose uh, and according to your magnetic come to the again to understand to again according to your magnetical field you are attracting some kind of the thoughtron which is already blowing on the air. Okay, so Paramahansa Yoganand ji said that ki within second 3,000 thought come across from the brain. 3,000. If the 3,000, so we become crazy. So only we can just recognize and attract one to once a time, one to uh, thought, or maybe three or four, not more than that. Okay, but when you start to meditate, then is a bubbling the too much thought. But generally, in the which is conscious, active conscious, we not much thought coming and going like a bird flying, not nesting. If you allow to nesting, then problem may start. Okay, so the and is that thought tron is a life tron, I tell you, and then the ghost also flow in the wave, which those who have an untrammed soul. The Paramahansa Yoganand ji given the name is the tram soul. No, tram is a wandering, okay, moving here and there. Like India says the unsatisfied spirit. Okay, it's a move here and there, and where there is he find the space, is a is allocate and possess and start to dominate. Okay, so like this body I'm that's why in for the spiritual aspect very much aware when you are in meditation and you are in still, and when you will be still, then time lose the magnetical field, no time will be there. And then if you are if you feel the no time, then you are slowly entering in your space. Okay, because space also not existing. Okay, but when you enter the space, and you must be the consciously conscious. If you're not consciously conscious, then your space can dominate and locate by the some other spirit, and generally the Holy Spirit not disturbed because the karma is there. not disturb other. But the negative spirit sometime sometime enter the space, okay, it's my own space, and start to fulfill his own wish, है ना? And my actually I'm the owner of this house, but I become the slave, and he become the ruler. Okay. So the spirit science, we are not talking about many things of the spirit. It's big game. Now here I wanted to tell you one simple about the Bible. Okay, then more you can understand. So the spirit moving, and then people are suffering from the spirit because science sometimes not believe, and sometimes we deny, and sometimes many things happen, and some are the untamed fortune tellers, magician, they make drama and they take advantage. It's a mind is there, but here you will be see the if the someone the crazy people, the soul can enter, because his a brain is a the his active brain is not uh, mm, in order. Okay, so if one crazy people, then maybe can enter the two three and more than it's become the house of the spirit. And one can come go, and one come and another go, and this so it's just a bundle of the spirit is living in the, and and if the spirit uh, get connected to the person, any how to by my wrong perception and by mistake, if the spirit one time enter in my body, the spirit, and then I may become crazy. Okay, so it's a vice versa, it's connecting both of these. Crazy is already biological disturbance, and then it can enter, and then make a enter, and then can get the instrument get disturbed. Okay, so it's a big science, and that's why the in during the meditation, generally we can get a space, because active brain you will be not find the space. If your mind wandering here and there, then no spirit can enter. If you are more fearful, spirit also not get chance to the enter, because the mind is fear. Okay, if even I if, alone moving in the graveyard, and somebody given the story about the ghost, and I was so fearful, frightened, but the spirit not get chance to enter, because it's active. I maybe die with just my own fear. Okay, but not a spirit not get chance to enter. A spirit enter chance when mind not work and still. Okay, so during the sex, during the meditation, and some ecstasy, ecstasy forms of sometimes you are enter somewhere, and such you are entering in the ecstasy. Okay, losing yourself. That time, if the person is not aware, है ना, awareness. That's why the whole sadhana, the life is the be aware, be vigilant, not vigilant to the only external world, be vigilant to this house also. You have to be very watchful, है ना. You have to be vigilant, security. No one extra soul can enter in this body. Now it's big things, because we can't prove in that way, but only need to be when you are entering in a space after a stillness, you must be anchor yourself. Even you are entered in the space. I tell you one more thing. Brahmans Yogananji written that if the first time in the enlightenment, in the and then the moment enter in the enlightenment and the body boom. Okay, because first time you just get the enlightenment, but the not enjoy the enlightenment. So first time the body will be not remain. The second time, third time, maybe the next life it will be remain. Okay. So the enlightenment means oneness with the cosmic electricity. Okay. So simple electricity shocked you and kill you. And that such a cosmic electricity is connecting with the you are the just center of the all whole universe, and blowing through that is need to bear, and there's such kind of the you have to enter in own space, then you will be entered, then you will be understand that. So moment when we are in the space, we must be anchored with the one thought in the I have to be vigilant, I have to aware, not to sleep, not to in the off mode, off conscious get off. Okay, any can attack, split can attack. So conscious should maybe your concentration help you to enter in a stillness. When you are the long period of time you are still, then time lose time, the magnetical field of the time will no more when you are in the space, and that time you have to be aware about your that you are the conscious yourself, your limited conscious is there. Okay, otherwise that's many of the sadhak is get disturbed, the spiritual aspirant get disturbed from the spirit. So that's why the in meditation they have the such kind of the made the symbol and the blanket or like a silken thread, these and the isolated place, and then your meditation place should not to disturb you, your mala rosary will should not to touch someone. It's a many thing precaution we are doing that. Okay, and so now I have to just add how the spirit entered, how its work, and then how its energy is there. So the Jesus is went in one village, and the one good person he was suffering from the spirit. Okay, it's the story of the Bible, and the people request of the Jesus to the Jesus, sir, kindly heal. He's a really good person, but now he's a the spirit attack, and then he's a completely become lunatic, disturbed, he's become crazy. It's not proper working, not in order. So the Jesus simply told the spirit, leave this body. Okay, not the person. Try to understand. Jesus was not like a fortune teller and magician to the some rituals, and then the spirit will be bound to run away. You know? And because if sometimes some person have the attack to a spirit, then it's many rituals, many mantra, many things is there to how to uh, kick it out from this body. Okay, but Jesus was the so great, and he just simply told, ask a spirit, leave this body. And the spirit, because he was habitual, and then is completely possessed, because if you rule the country, and it's a years together, maybe 100 years, then country become your, है ना? So anything you can do that, you know. So the ruler is completely possessed, is like a own, and then a spirit asking, where should I go? Because this is my house, I'm living here. And the Jesus, there was the pond, and the one pig, the word, was sleeping, you know. And the Jesus told, go and enter in the pig. In a board, one board was there. And the spirit left the man and entered the pig, and pig run and jump upon the pond, and he died. Because that he not get the such kind of extra, he's not ready for the extra spirit, and the spirit, because a spirit uh, commanded, get the command from the Jesus, go and enter in the peace, and so he has to command, he had to obey, and he obeyed, and he entered in the pig, and pig died. And the Jesus also that time, he's not in the exact, but you can translate in that way, you can see in that way, according to the karma, if not using the karma, the pig will be rise and the spirit will be fallen, something like that. But this is the makes sense. So spirit is there. So now the dynamic wave, many thing is there. I think it's enough because rat in jumping my stomach. So so dynamic, if anything more I will add you, if not, if you have any question, because the dynamic waves is people already working, science working there. If people in the dynamic waves, then we know the quantum entanglement, na? Because the one and through the dynamic waves we are connecting to the satellite and the moon and the Jupiter and Mars. So dynamic wave we are because the quantum entanglement, you know, na? So quantum entanglement is a two atoms, is a different space, and you can connecting. So through the dynamic waves, also I told you the astrological things. So dynamic waves is already is a clear, but the aesthetic was hidden. And honestly, I tell you, whatever I tell you, telling, just make sure to understand in your own way, not wrongly perceive, to understand, not take information, and not believe. You should not believe. "Kyo, he told me like that." And maybe he has a great scholar to read he's a deep study the Indian scripture. Not like that. I tell you, I never complete in any book in my life. Okay. So should not confuse. Okay. It's very clear about that. And now you are doing some work in the YouTube or something, no?
Where?
It's a to editing the video and then you put in the YouTube. No?
Yeah.
The sound is good, no? Sound.
I hope that yes. I'm trying to understand how it works because
Yes.
I'm not used to this.
Uh,
I've never done anything like this.
but if you take help from the someone, then you can take help. And then if someone, you know, there's some I was not interesting before, but now when we met me, and then I thought we can do something. Maybe a little help, people can get benefit, because too much confusion in the society. Okay. And if our effort, little effort, is a helping to the human mankind, is a service to the God. Okay. So you do something, Anna, and then before the Lord, when you generate and before the load, just let me know then. है ना? And if you want to make YouTube channel, then better you can. God alone is good word. That is, I love this words. You know? So saying the name of the God alone, that will be more helpful to people understand, because we are beyond the caste, creed, and color. We are here for the God alone. Okay.
Right.
So any question, let me know, and then if not, and if I have many, because I'm very good, I'm thinking, sometimes I think, oh, I have to add this, I didn't add this, many things. So now cosmic is dynamic wave, we not do something because it's already is there, because all 3G 4G then they are working that they upon that only. Okay.
Yes.
So all G is upon that. So and you are the electrical engineer, so you know that, because it's a dynamo,
Yeah.
how to connect to the electric